Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna solve this test paper 12, which is of class 8th RS Agrawal Mathematics. So test paper 12 is of direct and indirect variation. So it's a very simple chapter. Now let's solve the test paper. So the first question says 350 boxes can be placed in 25 cartoons. How many boxes can be placed in 16 cartoons? So let's solve this question. So first of all, the cross multiplication is a very easy method to solve this type of question. So we will make a box here like we used to make in EXO games, and we will write the unit here 350 boxes, and it can be placed in 25 cartoons. So boxes here and cartoons. So now let's write. Okay, now here from here 16 sorry here we can take it x and cross multiplication. So 25 into x is equal to 350 into 16. So 25x is equal to 350 into 16, which is equal to x is equal to 350 into 16 upon 25. So we can cancel it out. 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are and 5 7s are 35, and then 0. 14 5s are 14 5s are 70. Now 14 into 16. Let's solve this here. 14 into 16. So 14 6 are 84, and then 14 here. So answer is 224. So 224 boxes can be placed in 16 cartoons. The cost of 140 tennis balls is 4900 rupees. Find the cost of 2 dozen such balls. So we know that 1 dozen means equal to 12. So 2 dozen means which is equal to be 24 units of the same tennis ball. So so after making 2 columns here, now we can make here right there the cost and cost is 4900 rupees, and tennis balls are 140. Really sorry guys for the interruption in between. So now let's get back. So the question here is 2 dozen such balls. So 1 dozen, we know that 1 dozen is sorry for the bad handwriting, is equal to 12 units. So 2 dozen is equal to 24 units. And so first of all we will write the how many balls are here. So let the number of let the cost be x. So cross multiplication applied here. 140 into x is equal to 4900 into 24. So 140x is equal to 4900 into 24. X is equal to 4900 into 24 upon 40. So 0 0 cancel out. 4 6 are 24. So 490 into 6. So 49 6 are 9 6 are 54. 2540. So the cost of 24 tennis balls is 2540 rupees. Now question 3 is the railway fare of 61 for 61 kilometers is equal to 183 rupees. Find the fare for 151 kilometer. Actually I have written the answers inside, but for the more elaboration, I am solving the questions. So railway fare for 61 kilometer. Sorry. So the distance we will write here. So the distance is sorry. Firstly, we will write the fare. Fare is 183 rupees, and the distance is equal to. So the less the distance will be for the journey, so less the fare will be. It's just like a direct variation. And then 61 kilometer, and then we will write 53. 61 into x and 183. 61 into x and then 183 into 53. Then x is equal to 183 into 53 upon 61. So 61 3s are, because we can cancel it direct, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 61 3s are 183. So 53 into 3, 3 into 3 9, and then 3 5s are 15. So 159 rupees. So the railway train fare for 51 kilometers journey is 159 rupees. It's a very interesting and important chapter for mathematics. Everyone should solve it. And the next question number 4 is 10 people can dig a trench in 6 days. How many people can dig in 4 days? So it's a very good question here. It comes in very reasoning type of it comes in every exam, in the reasoning section or in the mathematics section also. So now we will solve this question. So we can write here the people and time took to dig a trench. Took to dig a trench. So 10 people are there. They can dig a trench. Sorry for my mispronunciation. So 10 people can dig a trench in 6 days. So how many people can dig a trench in 4 days? So let the number of people be x. Cross multiplication, very simple thing. So 6 into x is equal to 10 into 4. So 6x is equal to 10 into 4, and x is equal to 10 into 4 upon 6. So it's a very challenging question. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It's challenging. So sorry, actually I also got the doubt in this question. So we have to not solve the question like this. We can solve, instead of this method, we can solve like this. 10 into 6 is equal to x into 4. So so here it will be 4x and 10 into 6, and so x is equal to 10 into 6 upon 4. So we will cancel out here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and answer is 15. Means in 15 days people can dig 15 men can dig a trench in 4 days. So now let's do the question number 5. Question number 5 is 30 men can finish a piece of work in 28 days. How many days will be taken by 21 men to finish it? So the same like type of question we have to do here. So the 30 men, so the men are 30, and the time taken by them to finish the work, time took by them to finish the work is 28 days. 28 days, and 21 men, and so we have to so it's an indirect variation, so we have to do like this only. So 30 into 28 and 21 into x. So 21x into 30 into 28, and x is equal to 30 into 28 upon 21. So 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 31, 3 10s are 30, 10 4s are 40. So So 40 days will be taken by 21 men to finish the piece of work. So now it's the last question, not the last question of this test paper. It's actually the last of the word problem, and others I will they are MCQs, and I will upload them in the other video. So without wasting your time, just solve the questions. A garrison of 200 men had provisions for 45 days. After 15 days, 40 men more joined the garrison. Find the number of days for which remaining food will last. So we have to write here, garrison have food for provisions for 400 men for 45 days, and after 40 men more join. So sorry, wait, sorry for the disturbance. And 40, and then we have to minus here the days. 45 minus 15, which is equal to 30, and 30 400 sorry, it's not, sorry, 400, it's 200. So 200 here, and then after 45 after 50, and then 40 men more join. So 200 plus 40, which is equal to 240, and then x. So 200, sorry, it will be a type of indirect variation. So 200 into 30 is equal to 240 into x, and 240x into 200 into 30. So x is equal to 200 into 30 upon 240. So 0 0 cancel out, and 8, and I think it's let me multiply. Yes, I'm right. Okay, so 200, so it will be, sorry, 15, no, 5, sorry, 25, yes. So the answer will be 25 days. So yes, so so the garrison had a provision left for the men's for 25 days. So thanks for watching this video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for giving your valuable and precious time. I will solve the questions and upload in the other video. Okay, till then, stay tuned to my channel, and bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.